Today, I would like to cover a feature that's going to take your Power BI report to the next level. So this feature is very efficient when you're working with very large data sets. This feature is about interactivity between visuals on your Power BI dashboard. It's switching from cross-highlighting to cross-filtering. Not many developers know about this feature, but those developers who know about this feature also not very efficient at turning it on, and it's very time consuming for them or at how they're doing it. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a single click at the end of this video. So first of all, let's have a look at what this feature is. So what you're looking at the moment is cross-highlighting natural behavior of Power BI report, the default setting. So if I'm selecting something on my visual, in that case, channel partners, I would like to see sales associated only with channel partners. But as you can see, my visuals on the left and right-hand side have been adjusted, still showing me the total amount and highlighted amount. So in order to see the actual amount, I have to hover over this um, dark blue line and see the actual amount. However, that's not very efficient if I'm an end user who is working with a large data set. I want to see the sales associated with what I'm selecting. So let's have a look at cross filtering. So this dashboard is enabled with cross filtering. So if I'm selecting channel partners, as you can see now, I actually see the sales for Canada, France, and other countries straight away on my visuals. So they get adjusted accordingly and not showing me any other data points. And that's very useful from the end user perspective. So how to enable this behavior? As I said, the developers who know about this feature are not very efficient at enabling this because there are two ways how you can do it. So first, you select in one of the visual, go to format, edit interactions, and now you can see at each visual that is behaving together with the visual that we have selected, we can switch interactivity between cross-highlighting to filtering, and we can turn off the interactivity at all. But we have to change it to filtering for each visual on a page. So let's have a look. So we have switched it, and now cross-filtering works. So it's been enabled for this particular visual. However, if I'm selecting another visual, it's still doing cross-highlighting. So what I have to do, I have to now go and adjust interactivity for every visual and interactivity between other visuals for that visual. Imagine if I have 20 pages in my report and I have to do it for each visual on every page. That's going to be very inefficient and it's going to take long time for me, right? However, there is a way to enable it for all visuals in one go, which is going to options, selecting report settings for current file, and then select change default visual interactivity from cross highlighting to cross filtering. Please note that you have to do it for every file, so you cannot enable it by default for all reports that you are creating in Power BI. Now, as you can see, it has been adjusted. Now we can see that every visual and every element gets cross filtered.